There is a huge update on WePay. Roundhill has just announced WePay strategy enhancement. We are pleased to share an important update regarding upcoming enhancement to Roundhill Weekly Pay Universe ETF, WePay. As a part of continued commitment to refining our products lineup, WePay will adopt a focused investments approach. Starting on March 20th, WePay will invest exclusively in WePay ETF tied to the 25 largest US companies by market capitalization. We believe concentrating in America's largest and most influential companies may position the fund to improve NAV stability and less volatile distributions. In addition, the fund will transition from equal weight to a modified market cap weighing approach. The rebalance schedule will shift from monthly to quarterly. To reflect this refined strategy, the fund will be named to the Roundhill Top Weekly ETF, including a brand new ticker TOPW. These changes will take effect following the final month rebalance on March 20th. So this is very good news, because if we look at the WePay, we know that WePay has been losing its NAV, right? If you look at its performance, including DRIP, you are down negative 11%. If you look at the share price, is down negative 29%. And if you look at the dividend increase, this is how much they've been paying the distribution from lowest to the highest. It has declined by negative 52%. So this is not good news, and you'd see fund be losing a lot of NAV. This used to be one of the popular ETF. Now, as you can see here, the chart, it hasn't done well. So this change hopefully will bring very good outcome for this fund. So that's one of the important update. So now we have more update on the YieldMax distributions and Roundhill distribution for this week. Guys, on this channel, I always bring this update and important news whenever it happens. So if you don't want to miss any of these, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you like my content, as always, smash the like button. The other important update I'm going to show you today is YieldMax announcement of weekly distribution for Group 1. These are fund of funds mainly, and ex-date and record date for this week distribution is February 18 and payment date is February 19. So if you want to receive this distribution, make sure you buy by February 17th. This is how much they're going to pay. Chappie will pay 53 cents, 45%. FIT 23 cents, FIVI 17 cents, GPTY 26 cents, LIFG 23 cents or 55%, QDTY 31 cents, 39%, RDTY will pay 34 cents, SDTY 23 cents, Salty will pay 37 cents, 65%, Alti 44 cents, 66%, YMAG will pay 11 cents, 43%, YMAX will pay only 8 cents, and that's about 47 or 48%. So if you look at this chart here, the only ETF that paid a little bit higher was FIT, 61%, Salty, and Alti. They pay a little bit higher than the rest, but when it comes to return of capital, you know, there's a blend between 0 to 100% for Alti and Salty. They're going to pay pretty much 100% for Salty, and Alti will pay only 12% of the payment will be return of capital. On the same schedule, there are 3 more ETFs that will pay distribution on the same date. February 18 as X and record date, payment February 19. And this is a group 3. These 3 ETFs were the latest YieldMax line of ETFs. So there's MSST, NVIT, which is NVIDIA, and Test, which is Tesla. These are all target 25, so they're a little bit less volatile as compared to other weekly ETF, and they are going to pay MSTR 17 cents, NVDA will pay 23 cents, and Test will pay 23 cents. And you can see the target yield here is only about 25%, but these 3 ETFs, they tend to have a little bit less NAV erosion. And for return of capital is 91%, 93%, and the last one is 82%. The last but not the least, this is a distribution announcement from Roundhill, you know, which is going to pay on the same date, February 18 as X and record date, and payment will be February 19. So you need to buy these funds before that date in order for you to be on a record. So if we look at the WePay, which is a ETF that we have just talked about, that's going to change its strategy, will pay 24 cents. YBTC will pay 21 cents, and YETH will pay 15 cents. You know, YBTC, this is a crypto, Roundhill Bitcoin cover call strategy, and YETH, this is Roundhill Ether cover call strategy. And we know these two have been beaten up because of the crypto market, right? So, you know, if you believe in crypto that is going to go up, maybe this is the time to pick these two. But the fund that is more diversified when it comes to Roundhill ETFs is WePay. This includes pretty much most of their biggest funds. So it's a fund of funds. And if you believe in Roundhill new strategy, if you think their strategy will result in this fund losing less NAV, then you might want to watch and follow the update. So guys, I really appreciate you watching this video and being a subscriber to this channel. Thank you very much. I'll catch you next video. Bye bye.